Here is the latest update from the National Hurricane Center concerning Tropical Storm Fiona. Max winds are now at 60 miles per hour as Fiona continues to move off to the west-northwest at around 9 miles per hour. And based on satellite imagery, it looks like Fiona might already be forming what looks to be an eye, and that might indicate Fiona might become a hurricane as early as tonight, going into the very early morning hours of tomorrow. Now, I know this is I know that this is the question that all of you want to be answered right at this minute. Will Fiona be heading towards the Carolinas or anywhere across the eastern United States of America? I'm very happy to tell you that over the last, I would say, 2 to 3 days, the models have become in much better agreement that Fiona will likely be heading into an escape route in between a trough of low pressure and a ridge of high pressure. And once again, that'll act as an escape route and turn it way out to sea into the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Now, not to say Fiona couldn't take an unexpected turn and turn closer to the United States, but thankfully that is very unlikely. On the other hand, it doesn't hurt to be prepared, even though Fiona will likely be heading out to sea. But once again, I would definitely start preparing just to be on the safe side. Once again, Fiona could become a hurricane as early as tonight, if not the very early morning hours of tomorrow morning, remaining a Category 1 hurricane until about, I would say, the end of your Tuesday and heading into your Wednesday. Then Fiona will likely be turning into a Category 2 hurricane, remaining that strength as it heads off the coast of the Carolinas. Once again, Fiona should stay way off the coast of the United States and turning out to sea as it heads into that escape route in between that ridge of high pressure and that trough of low pressure. Closer to home, here's what to expect for the second half of the weekend. Probably mostly sunny skies are expected for your Sunday. It will be a tad bit more humid than what we saw this past Friday and today, but it won't be completely uncomfortable. Look for those afternoon highs to top out in the low to mid 80s with winds out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And real fast, here's what to expect for your Monday and Tuesday, the start of the brand new upcoming work week. A very similar pattern to what we saw, or to what we're seeing right now, I should say, for this weekend. Probably the mostly sunny skies are expected with hardly a single drop of rain. A bit more humid, but not completely uncomfortable. For your Monday, afternoon highs will be topping out in the mid to upper 80s, and for your Tuesday, temperatures will be topping out in the mid to upper 80s and also the lower 90s as you head further inland. Look for those winds to be out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and I will have your full forecast update tomorrow.